Okay, so as we have discussed about this grid computing, we have compared that grid computing with the power grid, right? So we'll see the differences between that both, right? Power grid and grid computing. So how this power grid is going to be generated, okay? Means from where the electricity is coming, for which we have connected, okay, from coal in Australia or some other location or some other locations. We are not going to be bothered about where the electricity is coming. Just what we are doing, simply we are plugging the electrical appliance and we are going to be using the electricity, right? So same as like that here, whatever the computers are there, okay, whatever the computer resources are there which are connected to the grid servers, okay, we never bothered about that from where, from which location is that computers are, from Goa location or from Hyderabad location or from any organizations. We never bother. Just simply we are having the internet connection. Okay, simply I have plugged in my laptop or my system. Okay, switched on that and utilize that all resources. Okay, so like that, grid computing will be providing the services, right? Through electric grid, we are going to be accessing here through grid computing. Okay, with the help of this grid computing we are going to be accessing. Means here whatever the infrastructures, okay, how this electricity will be generated from power plants, homes, through transmission stations. Means they are generating at some place, they are integrating, and they are going to be transmitting that all power by stations, okay, transformers, power lines, okay. With the help of these all things they are transforming to us. Simply we are utilizing that services with the help of this power grid, right? So same has like that infrastructure also. Here we are linking all the computer resources, like PCs, workstations, server, storage, elements. These all things we are going to be linking to the grid servers. Okay, with the help of that we are going to be utilizing all computing grid services. Means all infrastructures we are utilizing. That is the second point. And the third, here whatever the power grids are there, they are pervasive, right? So they are available at everywhere. They are available at everywhere. So simply we have to on the switch or plug in, and we have to utilize the power services, right? We can use a AC, TV, fridge, anything, okay, with the help of this power grid. Okay, it is a pervasive. And same, grid is also a pervasive. Same here, what we are doing now, we are also plugged in, okay, either by laptops, mobiles, or any resources. And we are going to be utilizing the grid computing services through web browsers. We are utilizing the services, right? So finally, power grid, whatever our electricity is generated, are we utilizing free of cost, ma? No, no. No, we are paying some amount for that, right? So that is known as utility computing. What is this utility means? Whatever we have used, for that we have to pay. Okay, how much you have used, for that much only you pay. Okay, same concept will be applied in this grid computing also. So how much you have utilized, okay, for that much only you pay. Okay, so like that it will be providing. Means pay as per you go. Services are provided in grid computing and electric power grid computing, right? So this is the difference between power grid and grid computing, right? So any